For many people, the idea of a garbage patch conjures up images of an island of trash floating on the ocean. That's actually a myth. In reality, these patches are usually made up of tiny bits of plastic, called microplastics. There are plenty of photos such as this one, often attributed to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. However, these are photos from other bodies of water on Earth. There are no photos of a great plastic island in the sea, and no images on Google Earth or anywhere else. This is because the plastic in the ocean consists of tiny particles, not visible from nearby boats or from satellites. Most pieces of the garbage in the ocean have broken down to about the size of your pinky fingernail. Small debris pieces are difficult to see due to their size, and many of these pieces may be suspended below the surface of the water, which would make them even harder to see, even with the human eye. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch lies in a high-pressure area between the U.S. states of Hawaii and California. An ocean gyre is a circular ocean current formed by the Earth's wind patterns and the forces created by the rotation of the planet. The area in the center of a gyre tends to be very calm and stable. The circular motion of the gyre draws in debris. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch collects debris from North America and Asia as well as from ships traveling through the area. Trash from the coast of North America takes about 6 years to reach the Great Pacific Patch, while trash from Japan and other Asian countries takes about a year. The main problem with plastic is that it doesn't biodegrade. No natural process can break it down. Instead, plastic photodegrades. For example, a plastic cigarette lighter cast out to sea will fragment into smaller and smaller pieces without breaking into simpler compounds, and this could take hundreds of years. These plastics can get sucked up by filter feeders and damage their bodies. Other marine animals eat the plastic, which can poison them or lead to deadly blockages. On Midway Island, which comes into contact with parts of the eastern garbage patch, albatrosses give birth to roughly 500,000 chicks every year, and about a third of them die, many of them by consuming plastic fed to them by their parents, who confuse it for food. "90% of lace and albatross chick carcasses and regurgitated stomach contents contain plastics. Plastic debris releases chemical additives into the ocean. It also absorbs hydrophobic pollutants such as PCBs and pesticides like DDT. These pollutants bioaccumulate in the tissues of marine organisms and magnify up the food chain into the foods we eat. Ships sometimes lose cargo in the oceans due to storms. Here are some strange examples. In 1990, 5 shipping containers of Nike sneakers and work boots were lost to the Pacific in a storm. People in Washington and Oregon snatched up the shoes on shore, holding swap meets to find matched pairs to sell. Also in 1992, rubber duckies floated in the Pacific when a ship lost tens of thousands of bathtub toys. In 1994, a ship lost 34,000 pieces of hockey gear, including gloves, chest protectors, and shin guards.